My name is Chonang Parfait. I am barista in Cameroon and Rwandese.
Barista?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And are you fluent in Rwandese? Do you speak Rwandese?
No, I speak small English and good French.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Viva la France.
Je ne parle pas français, mais je parle français, c'est la langue de la France, je suis camerounais.
My français, gache.
My English is
Gache.
My English is middle, gache.
Okay.
I read first your book, it's very good, but this word is so invite me to read more your book.
Okay.
This one.
The grind?
I like this one. The word is not
short of hardworking
people. There is short of people who know how to
build a system
that work while
they sleep.
Yes, good.
Yeah.
It's good. I think this book is very good for us, for the young entrepreneur.
Yeah, it's not only for young entrepreneurs. The idea came about because I met nearly 530 different businesses in Rwanda in the last 6 months. They were giving me same problems. I got tired of answering it. I put the answers.
You think your book is
in this? All the answers
can use in my country, Cameroun.
Yes, in any country, for any business. Even your lawyer business.
But I want it for my lawyer business because I want to expand my
practice.
Networking and practice to have a more than client than now.
Yeah.
Yes.
There is a system here of introduction. It is called the Jero formula. Most people introduce themselves like this. My name is Harish. I am a CEO. I am an author. Blah blah blah. You're just glorifying yourself. You're not solving the listener's problem. You don't say that. You start with the listener's problem. The listener's problem is that people are struggling with businesses. Africa lacks generational wealth and generational businesses. Most businesses fail. 90% of businesses that start in Africa do not see their first birthday. That is not sustainable. This book is trying to address that by giving them practical solutions that they can use.
But do you think we can have a practical exercise to apply this information?
There are exercises inside it to your business.
To our business.
Yes.
I am very interested to learn more than your book, but I take the soft system.
Okay.
The soft. This one. When I finish,
this is a hard copy. We have also a soft copy that we can share with you.
LinkedIn, we can see you in LinkedIn.
Yes, I have.
Your name Arish.
Yeah.
To see LinkedIn.
LinkedIn, any X or Instagram or whatever. I'm on all the social platforms.
Okay. I take the soft copy then. When I finish to it,
I need you to review it.
I come back to see you to have a more than explication.
Yeah, this is just a tester. You know, when you go to a supermarket and there is somebody standing there.
This one is
a tester.
After this test,
you come for implementation.
Yes. Yeah. Nice to meet you, and
you're welcome.
I have the time to see you again to just
of course. And I have helped a number of lawyers clarify their message.
Yes.
You being a barrister, you need to clarify your message even harder because you are paying. People are paying you premium prices.
Yeah, premium prices.
You are charging.
It's not easy to have a premium prices because if you are a business not very clear, the client does not see you like
like a premium supplier.
For us to beginning for this environment is very hard.
Yes.
To work. But you want to have
this book will make it easier.
You want to have a key of the business. You can see
it is here. Okay. We have a master key here.
Master key.
Yeah.
I want to use this master key to
unlock your growth.
Unlocking. Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Okay.